What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, I know, but in today's video we're gonna be upgrading the Mach 1, and Mach 1 we're gonna upgrade its sound system. Let me show you the car and let me show you the system I got, and you're pretty much gonna like the setup. Alright, here's the car. I still have to paint her. Paint is pretty much fading away, but it still doesn't look bad, and I still have to fix the hood. You can see where my old acrylic paint is on the bumper is, so you can see the difference of a shade. But yeah, so should be looking good, should be driving really good. And the only thing we're gonna have to upgrade is this sound system. And pretty much the volume button is like when you try to turn it up, turn it down, it just keeps going up. So there's no way to control it unless you like really play with it. And I'm gonna reroute this dash cam cable right through the dash back through here. All right, so let me show you the product I got, and let's see how we're gonna install it, because this one does have Mach 460. So all right, here's a little view. She does haul ass. Here is the system. I went and got a JVC M560BT. I've been looking at this thing for a while, and actually came down on the price. It was like $279 at the Crutchfield. So obviously comes with a install kit, some wiring. But yeah, definitely love this head unit. So we're just gonna install this bad boy and see how she looks and how she sounds. And here's a good reason why I went with Crutchfield, because they pretty much give you the whole instructions on what wires to connect and how to connect them. So you don't have to search the web. Pretty much hands down easiest installation ever. All right, it is actually the next weekend. I ordered the wrong, well, I didn't order the wrong, I kind of put the wrong year in my car, because that thing is 03, but the swap that I did on it was from 04. So there's a difference between 03 connections in the dash versus being a 04. So this is the 04 connector versus this one, and this is for the amp connection. So that's different as well, because there's two different plugs that actually connect differently. But anyways, now that I got that, I actually got this in AutoZone, and I believe it's only like 11 bucks. So it comes with this. So this is how it's connected. It's pretty simple. Purple wire comes out of purple, connects to the purple wire here. Pretty much all the colors are matched. The only thing that is different is this amp power switch. This is actually connects to this 5-volt drop, so it drops the volts down from 12 to 5 volts, and basically you connect the blue to the blue, black to the black, and then you connect the orange purple to the white and blue on this thing, and then obviously you hook it up back in the radio. It's front out. So basically once that's connected, everything else should work. So next thing for me is just to install it in the car, and you pretty much, if you took the radio out, you know how to do that. And once I'm done with installing, I gotta fish a few wires. I gotta fish the wire for my dash cam, and I gotta fish the wire for the mic. So once I do that, I'll show you guys the final install. But connection is pretty much simple and easy to do. So you even on the box that comes with it literally tells you like what wire does is what. So this is the connection I got from AutoZone. All right, so let's install it and show you the results. All right, getting ready to install this bad boy. Got it all set up. I fished my mic right through here. Basically just drops down here, and then I fished it over the pedals, and the mic comes through here, and my dash cam plug comes through here, and it's also fished right around there, comes down over the glove box and in here. I just wish this thing had like two USB, but only has one. So I'm gonna see if I can make two, so that way when I turn my radio, it turns my dash cam on, because you know Mustangs are like 12-volt power is always on, so it's kind of shitty. I have to plug it in, plug it out every time when I drive. But yeah, so I'll try to figure that out too. Wow, this looks so much better. I did install it. Dash cam is actually working, and I ran the USB cable from the radio all the way down here underneath the dash into this box, and I just made like a little, I'm not sure you can see, like a little hole next to the 12 volt, and just run my cable. So I got my USB cable here and also dash cam cable here, so now I can just like unplug it right here, plug it in, and the dash is staying clean. Obviously the heated seats are, cold seats are still there. And here is our first crank. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, it's broken. All right, it's starting. It's a first start, so there you go. All right, so I'm gonna mess with the settings and I'll be right back. All right, so I ended up messing with it. It's pretty dope. Tuner, Bluetooth, USB, and USB cable. Obviously it's in here. Series, I don't have that off. You can mess with you can add the camera and you can have a reverse backup camera, but I really don't care. Just turn around and see what's behind you. I don't back up that often. I only go forward. But anyways, after playing some music, I did notice my speakers are kind of blown, so definitely need to upgrade those. Those need 8-ohm speakers, but those are kind of hard to find. If not, I might have to upgrade the amps, tweeters, and the speakers, but that's gonna be another video. Might be into detail. This is kind of just like showing you a little bit of an update on the car and like the things I put in it. But the main thing is I kind of liked what I was hoping to have is the CarPlay, and that's what kind of I got this unit for, because it's easy to use, you know, play your Pandora, play anything you want, and then obviously, you know, back to the JVC if you want to listen to radio, Bluetooth. And I just made a phone call, and the clarity on it is pretty good when I was on the phone, and the speaker is up here. Yeah, I know it's not much on this video and it's not much of a detail. I just kind of want to update you guys on the car, and I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Next one is going to be obviously messing with that car right there. Bye.